one unforgettable campaign or 10 consistent ones?
10 consistent ones.
Being first to market or doing it better than the rest?
Both.
5% market share growth or 15% brand recall jump?
Both are critical, and the mindset has to be both. It cannot be this versus the other.
Okay, an unsaid rule, you are running out of both responses. You're not allowed to have more than three. So you're down to one last. Standalone brand identity or master brand led identity?
Standalone. We are a house of brands. We have multiple brands. We have Schneider, we have Lauritz Knudsen, we have Luminous, we have Aviva, so on and so forth. Each brand has their own identity, and each brand has to create their own trajectory.
Real stories or brand fiction?
Real stories.
AI to analyze or AI to generate?
I will use the third last option, both, because AI, again, I think if you use AI for one of the two, you will miss the bus. You need to use AI for both.
I don't know. There are some tricky ones coming, Rajat. You should have saved that one last both.
Okay.
But okay, working with creators or becoming one yourself?
Working with creators.
Okay. Risky yet creative planning or safe media planning?
Risky, because I believe that there has to be some risk which has to be taken to do transformational stuff. If you don't take risk, you will not be able to do transformational things.
Targeting the middle or targeting the emerging affluent?
That's a tough one, and I should have saved the last one. I would say focusing on the emerging affluent, because people who are emerging, there are millions of Indians which are now getting into the affluent category who were earlier in the middle class. So I would pick that.
Okay. And the last one is top-down vision or bottom-up innovation?
Bottom-up innovation. We are living in a time when democratic thinking is extremely critical to do transformational stuff. So it has to be more people working together on something rather than only one individual driving the narrative.